Breton.
It's Engonish.
Enganach. We'll see.
Engonish!
Enganach Beach.
Alright, we're gonna fight on it. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel once again. This is Usman.
And this is Jihan.
Oh my god, there are bikes! Motorbikes.
In today's video, we will be taking you to the north shore of Nova Scotia. We will be covering up Cap Breton. We will be covering up Cap Breton, Bedeck, Louisburg, Sydney, and Cheticamp. And I am sorry if I'm saying any of these cities' names wrong.
Please comment them down below how to pronounce them because we had a really hard time pronouncing it.
So, if you guys remember in previous video, we went to the south shore of Nova Scotia where we showed you Peggy's Cove, Lunenburg, Halifax, and Dartmouth. We will be linking that video up over there. So if you missed it, make sure to check it out as well. And stay tuned and we will show you everything we see. It's beautiful places.
And by the way, it's Engonish.
Enganach. We'll see.
Engonish!
Enganach Beach.
Alright, we're gonna fight on it.
But hold on a second. Today it's this handsome guy's birthday. So I got a really special gift for him. And just you have to wait just like them until you see the gift. So make sure to check out this video until the end and figure out what's Usman's gift and how he celebrated his birthday.
Okay, now you got me excited.
Oh yeah. See ya.
See ya.
Bienvenue à Cheticamp, toujours chantant, which is we're always happy and dancing and having fun. And it's raining, yet I'm still having fun because now we're going to check out this beautiful place called Chatacom. There is a beautiful little lighthouse that we are going to check out. Grab some warm meal because it's raining and come on in, let's enjoy it.
How is it?
You hear the crunchiness?
Yeah.
It's really nice.
Yeah, they're good. How is it?
It's crunchy, just like the way I like it.
Nice.
Welcome to Louisburg, a very small, tiny city located just after Sydney, and we drove all the way to check it out and check out the amazing fortress of Louisburg. This fort, it's located on today's Park Service Road and surrounded by Cape Breton shoreline. The fortress of Louisburg is one of the great monuments of French colonial life between 1713 and 1758. The town of Louisburg in 18th century brought French, German, English, Irish and Scottish people to its shore because of its strategic geographical location. This mighty fort still standing strong with little of remodeling. You can still hear 18th century sounds once you visit this great place. You will be able to enjoy fascinating exhibition, breathtaking scenery and costumed animators who will take you back in time, and you will be able to discover many cultures that help shape this whole country. If you are coming to Cape Breton, we recommend plan at least 4 hours of your time to visit this fort. It's totally worth it. Fort is open all year long. In winter, snow will enhance the beauty of this fort. Hi guys, we just finished hiking and driving around the Cabot Trail. We are really sad, honestly, because the scenery and the views that I have seen along this road is just amazing. Like, I don't think I would ever see something like that. It's just so unique that every time you see something, that there's another thing that is different than it, and it's just amazing.
And we have already made a plan to come back here next fall too, because there is something about this whole Cabot Trail that just attracts you. You cannot help it. You want to come back over and over again. Yeah.
So please guys, check out this video. I'm sure you're not gonna regret it. And if you are even visiting Halifax or anywhere in Nova Scotia, please give a day or so to this beautiful road trip, because you are not gonna regret it. guys. Today we're in Bedeck, Nova Scotia, and we came to have a breakfast in a very famous spot called the Fried Shed. This place is just magnificent because you're gonna have the most amazing view while you're enjoying your breakfast. So we are going to share our breakfast with you guys in a bit, but for now, enjoy the view.
Situated in the heart of Cape Breton Island, starts with the Cabot Trail stretching along the shore of island. This town is favorite destination for many visitors who come to Cape Breton. Due to its beauty, this town becomes second home for Alexander Graham Bell, founder of the first telephonic service. Bedeck offer variety of things to do. For example, spa, fine dining, hiking, sailing and campground. This village has unique character that makes it easy to find but hard to leave.